Okay, so we're working with the multiples of 3. We have one group of 3, which is 3. 2 groups of 3 is 6. 3 groups of 3 is 9. 4 groups of 3 is 12. 5 groups of 3 is 15. 6 groups of 3 is 18. 7 groups of 3 is 21. 8 groups of 3 is 24. 9 groups of 3 is 27. And 10 groups of 3 is 30. So I want you to count by threes for me. We're going to count by the multiples, starting, we're at 0, then we're going to go to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and 30. You can use this paper to help you memorize the multiples of 3. And a strategy that I was showing you is putting them in groups. If you have a big number that's bigger than 5, or I'm sorry, if you know your 5s, that's a perfect way to, if you already know your 5 times 3, if you know 5 times 3 is 5 times 3 is 15, you only have to add 3 more to get to 18. Okay, so that's why they had them use the 5 shortcut for learning your 3s. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and go over word problem. Students chose number 9, so I'm going to go ahead and choose this one since they didn't do 9 yet. It says, for Sophie's class picture, the students stood in 3 rows, and rows is a key word, so I'm going to put a box around it, with 5 students in each row. So I'm going to circle 5, and it says 5 students in each row. So how many students were in the picture? Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and make 5 in a row, 5 in another row, and then 5 in another row, because it says there are 3 rows with 5 in each row. So I made an array with the name of 3 by 5. And I'm going to make 3 by 5 equal S for students. I'll use S as the variable. Then I'm going to put S equals 15. I'm going to make sure I write the label too. I'm going to write students, because that's what S stands for. I'll do another one. And I'm going to choose, let's see, I'll go ahead and do number 11. Jess solved 21 multiplication problems. So I have a total. He solved 21. If the problems were arranged in rows of 3, how many rows did he solve? Well, I have a total right here. So I'm going to put my total in here, so we know there's 21 altogether. And it says rows of 3. So I have 3 in each row. I don't know how many rows. Well, I have a total of 21. I can't have more problems. That's as many as he solved. He solved 21, not more than that. So this is going to be a division equation. I'm going to have a total of 21, and I'm going to divide that by 3 to get R for rows. Okay, so you're going to have to count by 3s using your paper. Here, you're going to count by 3s that many times until you get to 21. So here we count by 3. 1 3, and that's 2 3s. That's 3 3s, 4, 5, 6, 7. Until I get to 21, that means I counted by 7 3s.